Here we divide 501 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 1. So we put down this 0 and it is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So we put down this 1 and 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 501 divided by 2 is 250 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.